going on, guys? Today we are going to pick up some rare McDonald's Happy Meal toy display. There's a few Pokemon ones, a Mario one, and the guy said he also has some more video game niche stuff that we may be interested in, so super stoked to see what all he has. Hopefully we can record while we're there. Not sure yet, but stay tuned. So you're selling pretty much everything in this room?
Anything, yeah. There's some things that I have trouble letting go of, like Animal Crossing, Smash Brothers,
Yeah.
things that I use.
So did you have like retro stuff, like old NES or N64?
Yes, I've had the Virtual Boy. I used to have the original NES.
Okay.
The dog one, like limited edition.
So today you're just selling the McDonald's stuff?
Let me get these out for you. So this is an Incredibles 2 box. In here, what we have? We've got, I do believe that's Generation 4 Pokemon, along with like Zooples, whatever that is.
I used to collect those.
Yeah, this is an old one. As you can see, where his Pig Knight fell off, but you can glue it back on there. I did that to another one, whatever his name is, he's on there. So there's that one, and some of them come with their original toys and Happy Meal boxes.
Okay. Yeah, so we were super interested in those displays for sure, because we're actually going to hang those up in our game room bathroom.
Yeah, okay. And I have Mario, I think he's in here, let me check. Mario's Toy Display in his original shipping box.
That is so cool.
Yes.
And our colors would look so good.
I know.
That's the size of it.
Oh, wow.
It's about 2.5 feet tall.
Yeah. So, are you interested in this one specifically?
Yeah, so I really like those two Pokemon ones, the Gen 4, Gen 5, and then that one, so I didn't know.
They're yours, I definitely don't need them anymore.
Okay.
I just want to be able to like walk in my room again.
Let me take a look at these Wii games real quick.
Yeah, no problem. You'll probably be interested in that Wii U Amiibo box, or right under it.
Oh, that's the Wind Waker one, right?
No, it's Twilight Princess.
Yeah, you're right.
Comes, I never even took the Amiibo out, it's still in the box.
Yeah, we're actually going for a complete Wii U set right now.
Oh yeah, that would help you.
And we don't have this, I know that.
That's got its booklet inside, the 25th anniversary.
Okay.
The box one's hard to find because people throw the boxes away, as you know.
We actually have that sealed collection.
Sealed, nice.
What kind of price points are you looking at on some of this stuff?
Just a fair price for both of us. Like, obviously that was $60. I'd sell for like 30 or something like that, 35.
Okay. What are you thinking on the three McDonald's displays? Two Pokemon and that one.
150.
150. Would you like 120 on the three?
Yeah.
That's $40 a piece.
Yeah, it works.
Okay. 120 is good with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've been here 5 minutes. Already spent $120.
I love to hustle, man.
Yeah, are you thinking about the boxed Amiibo for the Twilight Princess?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the good price for that, you think?
Let me see. I was probably just gonna put all these together and just make one bulk offer on the Wii U stuff, kind of separated by system. Are you selling any like video game T-shirts by chance? What size are you?
I could. Small.
Oh, never mind. That ain't gonna work.
That kind of little code.
That's okay.
There's like 45 on this deck. Relatively close to what you're looking for.
Can we say 50? Whole deal?
Yeah, I'll do 50.
Okay, that works. I will definitely throw in that box of like, what is it? The toys with it, because, you know, I don't need those anyway.
Okay.
It's over here.
This is all stuff that I had as a kid right here. It's all of these Wii games. I'm seeing it and it's just nostalgia.
Well, Amy may want this one.
Is it the Hello Kitty?
That's,
That's mine.
That's
I grew up with.
hers.
Absolutely mine.
That's her favorite.
Hello Kitty.
Oh, I remember this store display.
Yeah, it's in good. This one doesn't have anything falling
I
off.
remember this.
Yeah.
What year was this?
I'm gonna say, I know I worked there from 2017 to 2020, so between that time frame. I'm gonna say like 19 maybe, or 18.
I thought this was older, because I remember having this as a kid.
Oh. It might be.
I think this is, because I remember having this.
I did work
and
there
I
in
was
2012
still getting
for like a little bit.
2018.
Wow.
And then
Really?
1976, and then 2018.
Maybe I bought it in a toy set then. Maybe I'm going crazy.
Are you crazy?
I mean, I can go ahead and buy all the Wii games.
Damn, okay. That's a lot. Like, that is, like I said, I spent like 600 on all those.
Okay.
Just,
Well, I mean, I definitely don't want them all. I was just saying I could.
what would you, if you were to buy them all hypothetically, what would you say you'd spend on them? Some of them are like Rune Factory, like there's some more valuable ones in the in the collection.
49. And then there's a Wii Sports, there's exactly 50.
200. I mean, it's a lot of Wii games.
Let me see if I can take out a few maybe.
Yeah.
Because I definitely don't like Wii Fit, Sims, I don't care about those. Alright, now there's 40 games there.
Okay.
Do 160?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Sweet.
Alright, text me 160.
It's still got its booklet in it. Just want to point that out.
This one does?
Yeah. If you want, I can give you the game for Mario Party, for Mario Kart.
Okay. How much were you asking on these two, you think?
Just like 15.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those systems down there, those DSs, do those work?
The DSi does.
So, we're at 120 for the freestandings, 50 for something else for this stack, 160 for this stack, and then 15 for the PC block thing.
Oh, I can't open it with one hand.
Yeah, I'm sure that could be cleaned pretty easy.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, too, usually they're all scratched up.
I took really well care of that. That's been refurbished.
Okay. Is there certain PS4 and Switch games you didn't want to sell?
Just ask me. I'll probably give it up. Some of them are factory sale if you check the side, like Zelda.
What is this? Oh, that's cute.
GameStop exclusive.
Did you have a rough idea on like what you'd want per game?
Oh Lord.
That would probably help me.
40.
40
the
40 per
new
game?
ones at least.
Okay.
The ones that like Zelda, you know, because they're Switch games. Yeah.
Yeah. So what about the pre-owned ones?
Let's just say like 30 at least. Oh, you know limited run games?
Mm-hmm.
I've got one of those, complete with its cards and its box and everything for the Switch.
Oh, well, is it the Zombie Ate My Neighbors?
Oh, it's Mutant Muds Deluxe.
Alright.
Let me go see what you have in your living room.
Okay.
You said pretty much just asking it might be for sale in here?
Most of it's for
Okay.
sale.
Oh, this is sick. Animal Crossing poster.
That's a card.
Yeah.
Still works, maybe.
I kind of want that. What were you thinking on this mute blush?
Well, 50.
50?
Because it's like I said, it keeps going up in price.
Yeah.
This is sick. Did you see this, Corbin?
I know this thing.
Does this move?
Yeah, it plays.
How do you do that?
It might work. Sometimes the piece of wood caught it won't move, but yeah, if you like spin it, sometimes yeah, see?
That's awesome.
Plays Mario. He jumps on the Goombas and stuff.
Holy crap.
So you brought this Nintendo Switch sign, and you said we can have it for 10 or 15 bucks. So we said deal. So we do own an online video game store. It's like where we resell and stuff.
Yeah.
So I don't think those. It's like I would definitely buy a bunch of those Switch games, but I think so it's just too high on the price on those. So I know those we get like 50 out of. Those is that the DSi?
Yeah,
Just
the original.
Looks like it's worth about $104. Yeah, I think I mean you'd probably better off just selling these on your own.
Yeah.
Because I mean I could do like 50 on this and 25 on that one.
Oh yeah, probably.
Because like after seller fees and shipping. and all
Oh,
that.
I definitely wear that. That's the worst thing about selling on eBay.
Alright, you guys, just got out $300 cash for this deal. I don't know if you guys realize how good of a deal this is, but honestly, it's insane. We're gonna be able to make money and keep everything that we want. Original deal was $270, but we decided to take out an extra $30 to see if he would actually take $30 for an extra McDonald's display. It's the Toy Story one. And now, I know you guys saw all the Switch games and you may think that we're crazy for not buying them, but he wants $30 to $40 a piece for those, and there is just absolutely no room for profit.
Extra 30 if you would be comfortable selling the other toy display.
Oh, the Toy Story?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's 300 right there.
Alrighty, you guys, we just got home, got everything unpacked onto these two tables, and we are super duper stoked. So the original reason why we went to this guy's house is because of these McDonald's toy displays right here. I absolutely love these stinking things. These are gonna end up going into our game room bathroom. Why? Because why not? So originally he had these things at $60 each. We ended up getting all of them except for one for $40 each. This one right here we got for $30. And then as you guys saw earlier, we got all of this right here for $50. This alone goes for like $150 to $200 factory seal. Oh, it's not factory seal. Oh, it's not factory seal. Okay, still about $150. It doesn't even matter because we're not going to be selling it. It's going into our Wii U collection. Look how beautiful.
And as you can see, we don't have that one yet.
No, we don't. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to take this little bad boy. We're going to move this stinking thing because who cares about Wii U headsets? Not I. And we're going to place you right here. And these are just some duplicates that we already had. So we're just going to add these to our little collection as well. And guys, anything Wii U that we get in, we keep. We do not sell. And then this guy was just super cute. No idea how much it's worth, but we got it for like 10 bucks, so had to get it. It's a little alarm clock. How adorable.
It'll be up in a Whatnot auction. If you use our affiliate link in the description, you get a free $15 to spend on the platform, which means you would more than likely get this for free because I doubt it'll go above 15 bucks.
So make sure you go down in the description box below and click that stinking link.
After inputting all the Wii games, the total comes up to be about $627 in value. Not bad at all. We're super stoked about that. Lots of very solid titles in here. All Marios, all Zeldas, Sonics, Animal Crossing, Donkey Kongs. Just really, I mean, everything that people want. Now we're gonna highlight some of the best games out of this lot so that you guys know what to look for when you're out hunting. The first game to look out for is called Little King's Story. This is about a $30 to $35 game complete. Don't know much about it. It looks kind of cool, but yeah, if you see that for cheap, pick it up. Next one, as you all probably already know, is The Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword. This actually comes with a little bonus disc here. We'll probably get about 25 out of this. Mario Party 9 is such a solid title. This is about 40 bucks on the Wii, complete, and she's minty. Now this is an expensive series. This is Rune Factory Frontier. This is some kind of anime farming game, simulator, RPG, I have no idea. But this is about a $40 to $45 game. So if you ever see Rune Factory, pick it up. Again, another Rune Factory game. This is Tides of Destiny. And this one will sell for about $25 to $30. Here we have the 25th anniversary of Super Mario All-Stars Limited Edition, complete in the box. This will go for about $35. And then of course, the Mario Kart Wii box. So this comes with a steering wheel, the game, and I think some instruction booklets. Price starting has is at $27. I think we'll easily get 35 to 40 out of this.
So honestly guys, all in all, we are super duper happy about this little deal that went down because we are able to A, make money and keep the stuff that we actually want to keep, which I am so stinking happy about. Again, we didn't put any of the values in for the stuff that we're keeping. If we would have, it would have been well over the actual value.
Alrighty guys, once we have our game room tour, we still need 2 more kiosks to complete our game room. But once we have the game room tour, you all will actually be able to see the little project that we are working on with these McDonald's displays. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you all subscribe, turn your post notifications on, do all the good stuff, comment, like the video. Y'all know what to do.
Also, follow us on Instagram, guys. We post all the freaking time on there, okay?
Alrighty guys, thank you all so much for watching, and as always, we'll be chatting.